Hi there, this is Mrs. Reed and I'm going to show you how to navigate my Canvas page. So when you log on to my Canvas page, you will see this at the top, and this is my home page. And then when you scroll down, there's just a little brief explanation about who I am and stuff about me. And then these blue boxes are how you're going to navigate my course. So if you see here, I labeled them by weeks. And then I also put the date underneath them. And something else that I do as well is I will always try my best to remember, but I will always put the week that we're on in yellow to make it more easier for the students to know which week that we're on. I also have an e-learning day tab, so whenever we have e-learning, this is where all of their assignments will be. So for example, we have one September 4th. So I already have the September 4th assignment in there. So if you go to my week 4 that we're on right now, this is my cluster class, but this is for my Math 7 class as well. It has the same setup. So I put at the top here, please, if the students need to send me emails, to send it through Gmail and not Canvas, and then I put my email right here. I also put that I have Zoom office hours every Friday, and then I also have them throughout the week as well, upon request if students need it. But then this table down here will show them the assignments for the week, so I label it by date, and then whatever the assignment is will be right next to it. So if today was Monday, August 24th, students will click on this assignment. More than likely they'll always have a bell work to do, and then their lesson will be a video. It will either be a video that's already been released out there, or it will be a video of me, which this one's actually a video of me. And then they will have homework, and the homework, whenever you click on it, it does pop up as a quiz over here on the side, but it's really not a quiz, it's just a homework assignment. So then they would do that, a homework assignment, and that would be it for the day for them. One more thing I do want to talk about on my homepage is this textbook website. Students do have textbooks online, so if they ever need additional help, they can click on this link here and it will take them to their textbook. But that's how you navigate my Canvas page, and if you guys have any more questions about it, feel free to email me and I can help you with it. Thanks.